Hey my little raindrops, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are not new here, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new here, what's up? My name is Julia. I post makeup, fashion, and lifestyle videos. This is just what the look looks like, and it's so beautiful, and I'm actually really obsessed. And I use the James Charles palettes and some new products. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so it's been a minute since I've dove into makeup. My face is breaking out right now because what else would be happening? Let's just dive into this video, right? Ignore my background. My room is a mess. It's fine, but I woke up and I was like, I need to film a makeup tutorial today because literally this is who I am. I love makeup. So let's just get into it. We're gonna try some products and that's gonna be that. We're gonna see if they're good and let's just do our makeup together. Okay, so first and foremost, we're gonna prime our face. I'm going to use the Cover FX Blurring Primer. So I'm trying out a new foundation today. The foundation I'm trying is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. Now, I look like a little boy. It's fine. Let's just not talk about it. But I literally just have been wanting to try this foundation. But I don't think it's my shade, to be honest with you. I think it's not my shade. So we're going to try and hopefully pull through. And hopefully it is my shade, or else I'm going to have to take a trip to Ulta and return it. And I'm not about that. So let's try. I feel like this looks very cool toned. I don't know, sometimes my videos look a lot different color wise. So let's just try it out, you know? And I'm putting a ton of this on my face and I literally have no idea how full coverage it is, so. And I don't know, it's so cool toned. So definitely be very careful while you're choosing a shade, just because this is a very cool tone, and this was literally shade 4, so that should be a little bit darker, I feel like. I don't know. I'm gonna use the concealer with that, so I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution concealer. Basically I think this is darker than the foundation, so this is gonna be a fun time. We're really just, you know, we're living and we're learning. And at the end of the day, if it doesn't look good, it's just makeup. And you know what? We can take it off and we'll be fine. Okay, so now I'm gonna let that bake sit on. Literally I'm gonna have all the products listed as I'm doing them. But baked bronzer, I'm gonna go ahead in with this, and I'm going to just bronze up my face. Okay, so the next step in this process is blush. I'm going to go in with the Milani Baked Blush. This is in Luminoso, and I'm just going to put it on the apples of my cheeks. I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Fixing Spray, and I'm gonna mist it on my face. Highlighter Written in the Stars. It's from this collection. It's from the Libra Cancer the Sign collection. So I'm gonna use this. It is a loose powder, but I don't think it's really gonna be I want to put it over something. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna try this out. I'm going to dump some in the container. Shortcake, this is what it looks like. I've actually really been liking this a lot. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to highlight a little bit with this because I really just want the other one to be an accent, you know? Guys, the next thing I'm going to do is my brows off camera, so I will come back once my eyebrows are done. Okay, welcome back. So I look really insane, because I literally have face makeup on and brows and I just look really insane. Tune and Punch Me. I'm gonna use that. Tune and Punch Me, you know? It's a transition shade. Ooh, pretty. Okay, she's pretty. She's pigmented. Okay, now that that is put down, I think I'm gonna first go in with this color right here, which I'm a little nervous. It's literally like this green color and I'm terrified. I feel like I already messed up. Ooh, this green is pretty. Put them on the screen, but the one I just used is called Daddy, and I'm going to use the shade Social Blade next. Just to blend, literally just blending, so. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the crease and I'm literally just going to like cut it and do that color. I believe it's called Guac. Okay, so the white was there for a little bit. Now I'm going to go back in and just like touch up anywhere that got messed up because there are places that did in fact get messed up. Really pretty. And I'm gonna go in on the other eye as well, doing the same dang thing. Obsessed. I actually really like this look. It's actually really pretty. So lower lash line. So I'm gonna do the lower lash line and I'm just gonna use like the same colors kind of. So I'm gonna go in with that yellow and that green. Okay, so I just put glitter on my eyes. This is what the eye look looks like. Okay, guys, so I just did my eyelashes. Now I'm going to do my lips off camera because you guys have seen me do my lips 1,000 times. So I'm going to do a very nude lip. I'm going to line my lips with this NYX nude lip liner, and then I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick and not liquid lipstick, lip gloss in Undressed, and it's gonna look so good with this look. So I will be right back. Guys, so that is the completed look. I love this look so much, and my boyfriend actually told me to do this look, so I really love it. Excuse my hair and everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite dramatic makeup look is, and also do not forget to subscribe because I'm currently holding a giveaway. So if you guys want to win, I'm going to have it in the description how you're gonna win. But basically, I'm giving away a bunch of prizes, which if you guys want to see the prizes, go to my Instagram where you can see the post, which is where you have to enter. So if you guys want to win a bunch of prizes, then definitely go check out the description down below. I will see you guys in my next one.
Just say goodnight and go.